Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Go Native Farms, where we're going to take a quick look today at some very native and very heritage corn that I've planted here. And in this little spot, I have, I don't know, 16, 20 holes that I dug, little concaves, and in this area, we planted some purple Conico, which is a heritage variety from Mexico. And these were planted July the 3rd, and today is July the 4th. Happy Independence Day. And I'm not sure if these are going to finish out because it's a little late in the season, but we'll probably construct a makeshift greenhouse around them and we'll see what happens. Have not grown this corn before. I think it grows about 8 foot tall, and I will keep you guys updated as to how this progresses. It's a beautiful corn, and one of the things we have here next to the corn is some really nice cactus, and I let the cactus grow. I don't pull them out. I just am careful that I don't fall on them. Some of these cactus are edible. This looks very similar to cholla, but I don't think it's actually cholla. So I'm going to find out if these are edible, and if they are, I'll show you guys a video on how I prepare cholla in the future. So a little update on this purple Conico, and it's a beautiful corn. Let's hope it grows. I will keep you guys updated, and remember to go native and grow native and eat native. And don't forget to exercise like native people are supposed to do and meant to do. Have a great day.